Hi, I am Saisa Dalope, 36 years old, mom of 2. I started planning a year before I enter LFBT. Medyo kasi nagdalawang isip ako because I have kids to attend to, plus yung 3 hours na biyahe. I'm also a home baker, but naisip ko I need to level up in cooking, not just baking. So, kaya yon, nag-decide ako finally to enroll. Right now, nasa term 4 na kami. I'm very excited, international cuisine na. Katatapos lang namin ng baking and pastry class, and I can say, dami ko pa palang dapat matutunan when it comes to baking. Here sa LFBT, intense ang learning. There are times I want to give up kasi nga minsan frustrated ka sa kalalabasan ng niluto mo. But with the help of our chefs, lumalakas ang loob natin na ipagpatuloy at hindi sumuko sa laban. Konting-konti na lang, makakagraduate na kami. And I'm so excited to venture sa mas malaking challenge sa culinary world.